Hi there, and welcome to BSF Recovery Team. With the lift kit now installed in the cheap trail Jeep, seat cover was dying to try it out. First up, the rock pile. Well, it didn't get hung up. Everything cleared, sort of. But then she ventured out into the cornfield, and guess what?
Hey guys, as you can tell, I'm muddy. Here's why. I need the tow truck again, because look! I did it again! I got stuck. I was trying out my 3-inch lift kit that I stuck in yesterday. As we can tell, I got stuck!
Now, I don't know if any of you have tried to drive in a cornfield during the spring thaw, but let me tell you something. It can be very slippery, and you never know where the frost is out of the ground and where there's standing water. And when the tow truck started to spin and sink, well, I wanted to get out of there in a hurry. Even though you might not believe me, it was not my intention to pepper the Jeep and Mara with mud. Soon found out that behind the Jeep was just as soft, but at least it was going downhill.
Whoa! I like your paint job. Which one? I don't even know. Well, not this money.
thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. Subscribe to our channel, ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our off-roading and recovery videos. Stay safe until this pandemic thing is over. And when we can all go out wheeling again together, maybe we'll see you in the woods.